Hey guys, so I'm back here to cut my fade to black soap, which is the wood grain technique that I did the other day. The soap is still a little soft, and if I could go back and do it again, I'd probably wait another day or put it in the freezer for about half an hour, because I'm having a little bit of trouble because it's trying to squish on me a little bit. I'm also having trouble measuring out the size of my bars because of the way that I have to cut them. So some of them I cut correctly and some of them I tried cutting a different way, because there's a few different ways you can cut them to get the wood grain. And it looks cool both ways, but one of them is a little bit more realistic than the other, but you'll kind of see the first way that I cut is the one that's not so realistic, and the second way that I cut is more realistic. But I still had a lot of fun with this technique, and I'll definitely do it again in the future. There's lots I want to do with this. Next time I want to add a little bit of gold. I kind of want to play around with the colors a little bit, and definitely want to do a better job cutting next time. I want to be more precise in my cutting. So hope you guys enjoy this, and these will be ready in 4 to 6 weeks, so keep an eye on my shop and on my Facebook page, and enjoy the video.